We have to stop the foolishness. We have to stop the Santa Claus. We got to stop the Halloweens. We got to stop the Thanksgivings. Killing, thank you. we have to stop all that. That's like expressing those adolescent passions. We're not 12 anymore, but for some reason, it's just Christmas. And everybody like to say, I don't celebrate it. I just, no, I don't recognize it. I actually fast on them days just to change the energy around. Because I know on my street, everybody is out in front. People are coming to visit, so there's no parking spaces. It's like everybody's celebrating Christmas. There's no such thing as Santa Claus, right? Right? Wait a minute. You over here celebrating? No, I'm not gonna punch you out. But really, I know it's hard. But you got to get all the foolishness out your life if you're going to reconstruct your bloodstream. If you're going to put yourself back together, you got to get all the foolishness out your life. It's a lot of flaws in our character. That's one of them. To buy into all that foolishness, Thanksgiving and 4th of July, where they're bombing everything, and think about what you hear on the 4th of July. When you hear all these fireworks, that's the height of mucus and pus. Take mucus and pus out of the equation, and ain't nobody gonna be bombing nothing or tearing up anything. But mucus and pus, think about that. When we say mucus and pus, we're talking about animal flesh, dairy, grains, and starches, and those fats. So now, if we take that out of the equation in terms of how our society is put together, look at everything. Go downtown, in your local downtown area, and look at every place that's selling mucus and pus. It thrives on mucus and pus. The office buildings that you work in, look what everybody's eating. Mucus and pus. Nobody's eating fruits and green leafy vegetables unless it's you. Then how do you feel? You over there in your little cubicle, and people looking at you all strange because you eating like a little rabbit. Why don't you go get something to eat? And so they try to make you feel like you're the odd man out, and you're like the queen or the king up in here. You doing the right thing. I talked about on one of the videos about complaining. We gotta be complainers. Same way they complain when me and Spira go play we do street performing, and one person complain, here come the police. So now I'm complaining when you barbecuing outside and it's coming in my window. I'm calling the police. They don't even know how to handle it. They be like, oh, wait a minute, you saying that the barbecue films are coming through your window and you are disgusted with it? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Like, I want it stopped. Oh, sir, barbecuing is not against the law. And I just take them through it, but I keep complaining because it's gonna become normal. They'll hear it. If enough of us start complaining, the same way they stop cigarette smoking inside bars. We can do it if you just complain. So we gotta be complainers. Just the most silliest thing, see on Christmas. Go file a suit against somebody who has Santa Claus in their store. Like, it scared the hell out of me. You know, just make like it scared the hell out of me. I mean, I didn't know what this was. And just file a bogus, and enough of those complaints come in, they'd be like, man, this year, let's not do this. Or, sooner or later. But I'm telling you, we have to be like complainers about the things that we want to be about. If we want a new culture, we got to create a new culture. Because this deaf culture ain't working on no level. It's not working. You see the homeless? You see people digging in a garbage can to eat? Who could say that this is working? You saying, I go to K. Rogers, Kroger's, and I got a friend, he takes me in the back and he shows me all the food they throw out in garbage cans. Nothing wrong with the food at all. Bananas, and they're throwing this stuff in the garbage can. But then there is somebody digging in a garbage can to eat. Somebody's eating it. So, that's just the wrong way to get the produce. So that's another thing, man. And so we need to understand how we can individually practice this mucusless diet.